Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do Jessica's hair. What we're doing today on her service is that we're going to be moving up all her blonde. So we're going to be moving up her money pieces and her balayage. We're going to be putting it all into foils. And then in between those foils, we're going to be doing a color in between. So stay tuned, watch the video all the way to the end so that you know how to do this service on your clients. So Jessica's hair color, her brown color, is a level 6. We know the underpigment at a level 6 is red-orange, so inevitably what happens when that color starts to fade is that underpigment starts to show. And that is what causes the hair to look brassy and orangey and all that kind of stuff. So what we're going to do is we are going to color in between, color down that brown again to get rid of all that color. So it's a nice non-brassy brown again. Take a look at Jessica's hair now to start off with. We still have a very nice fade from the roots to the blonde, which is super key in why you want to do a very nice application. We are going to start by putting her foils in. So we're going to start with the money pieces in the front. We are going to section that portion out. Jessica wears her hair parted down the center, or she flips it one way or the other. So we are using a center part for this. So we're going to be doing this in rows, even within this section. Once we have the money pieces all foiled out, they look like money. So we have it all done here. You can see that. Now we are going to move on to the rest of the foils. We're going to take the rest of the hair, we're going to split it right down the center. So we have two sections, one on the left, one on the right. So we're just going to start in the back now, and we're going to work our way forward to finish off those sections. Jessica likes having a lot of blonde, so we're gonna make sure to visualize how we want this to look to know how much blonde we want. So this is going to vary based on your clients. It's gonna vary based on how much hair they have, you know, what their density is, and what the overall look is that they're going for. Sometimes when I'm doing a color in between, what I like to do is to put the color in between as I am doing the foils. Okay, it keeps it very neat, very tidy. But the reason why we decided to do this afterwards is because Jessica actually didn't decide that she wanted to do the color in between and tone down the coppery color until we seen it afterwards and we seen how warm it was. And we thought, you know what, we better take the opportunity now while we have the foils already all foiled out that we can clearly see where that copper is and fix it up. Because if we were not to do this now and decided to do it later, then what we would have to do is we would have to go through her head and do a foil again to pick out the pieces that were copper and then do it again later. We are also going to be doing her haircut. So we're going to be cutting her hair into a bob, but more of a blunt bob, which is very in right now. We're doing that. Yes, we want to take her length up, but also we are fixing her haircut because she went and got a whatever haircut out in Costa Rica from a very sweet lady, but the haircut is very uneven. So she's got bits hanging out all over the place. So we got to clean that all up and give her a fresh new look. Well, a fresh, refreshed look. There you guys have it. That's how to move up the balayage and the money pieces and do a color in between at the same time to tone out any brassiness. And of course, the very solid bob that's super in right now, okay? So your clients are going to be asking you for this service specifically. So make sure you guys learn how to do it, try it out. Let us know if you have any questions. If you guys want to check out our products and our courses and all the good stuff we have to offer, go to Naven.com. We have everything there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. We love you guys. You guys are what keep us going. So remember to go out there, change the world through hair and beauty, and invent your world. Bye, guys.